Thanks so much for tuning in to Sapper Woodworking. About a year ago or so, I ended up purchasing this carbide tipped lathe chisel kind of on an impulse purchase because I wanted to see what it was like to actually use the carbide tip tools rather than the traditional high-speed tip tools that require repetitive sharpening. And I can tell you that I really do like the tool. It does serve its purpose on the lathe. This video is not to go over the pluses and minuses of the carbide tip tools as compared to the traditional tools, but it is to kind of demonstrate how you can end up saving somewhere around $185 on what I'll call maybe the first year's ownership of the carbide tool by making your own handle. After all, we are using our own lathe. It's a good project to study your spindle skills. So I'll go through this project. We'll take a piece of scrap hickory that we had left over from a prior project. We'll end up cutting it down and turning it into our handle with a metal extra part that was purchased online. And we'll take you through that process in just a couple of minutes. So we're gonna head over to the table saw. Let's get started. So I ended up finishing my project. Here's my original template that I worked off of, and here's my finished tool. And by my calculations, I ended up saving somewhere around updated price of about $190 on I'll call it first year ownership. This tool on Amazon as of the recording of this video was about $120 retail. And if you bought 10 replacement carbide tips from this same company, those are about $15 each. So 10 of those would be $150. So first ownership for the tool and the 10 cutter heads is $270. This metal section was bought on Amazon as well for $35, and 10 replacement cutter heads were a total of $45. So this tool and the replacement cutter heads is about $80. So that's about $190 savings. And I'm really pleased how it turned out. I've actually used it once or twice on a bowl, and so far so good. I think I'll end up making a third one. Thanks for watching today. If you have any comments or questions, please write them below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, please click on the thumbs up button below and the subscribe button off to the center of your screen. Thanks. Have a great day.